Electrified driving addressing the shock factor. The rise of electric cars has sparked a new era in transportation, revolutionizing the way we think about mobility and sustainability. But with this innovation comes a common question that many potential buyers and curious minds have. Can an electric car give you an electric shock? It's a valid concern. After all, electric cars run on electricity, and electricity can be dangerous if not handled properly. The good news is that electric cars are meticulously designed with numerous safety features to prevent electric shocks. These vehicles undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet high safety standards. This essay will delve into the electrical systems of electric cars, exploring how they are engineered to keep drivers and passengers safe. We will look at the advanced safety measures in place, such as insulation, grounding, and automatic shut-off systems that activate in case of a fault. Additionally, we will provide practical tips to ensure a safe and electrifying driving experience. From regular maintenance checks to understanding the importance of using certified charging stations, these tips will help you navigate the world of electric vehicles with confidence. So, whether you're a seasoned electric car owner or considering making the switch, stay tuned as we address the shock factor and unveil the truth about the safety of electric vehicles. Under the hood, demystifying electric car electrical systems. To understand the safety of electric cars, it's helpful to have a basic understanding of their electrical systems. Electric cars use high-voltage batteries, typically ranging from 400 to 800 volts, to power an electric motor. This high voltage is necessary for efficient power delivery to the motor, enabling the impressive acceleration and performance that electric cars are known for. However, these high-voltage components are carefully insulated and shielded to prevent any accidental contact. Shielded power. How electric cars protect you from high voltage. Electric car manufacturers prioritize safety and have implemented numerous measures to protect occupants from electric shocks. High-voltage components, such as the battery pack, are encased in robust insulated compartments designed to withstand impacts and prevent electrical leakage. Wires carrying high-voltage electricity are also heavily insulated and routed away from areas where passengers might come into contact with them. Furthermore, electric cars have sophisticated safety systems that continuously monitor for any electrical faults or insulation breaches. Plugging in safely. Charging procedures and precautions. Charging an electric car is a safe and straightforward process. However, it's essential to follow proper procedures. Always use charging equipment that is compatible with your car and in good working order. Before plugging in, ensure that the charging port and connector are dry and free of debris. During charging, avoid touching the metal parts of the charging connector or the car's charging port. It's also advisable to charge your car in a well-lit and dry area. Section 5. Busting myths. Separating fact from fiction in electric car safety. There are several misconceptions surrounding electric car safety, particularly regarding the risk of electric shocks. These myths often stem from a lack of understanding about how electric vehicles, EVs, are engineered and the rigorous safety standards they must meet. One common myth is that touching an electric car in the rain is dangerous. People often worry that water could cause a short circuit or lead to electric shocks. In reality, electric cars are designed to withstand wet conditions, and the electrical systems are completely isolated from the car's exterior. Manufacturers conduct extensive testing to ensure that EVs can safely operate in all weather conditions, including heavy rain and flooding. Another myth is that electric cars are more likely to catch fire than gasoline cars. This misconception is fueled by high-profile news stories that often highlight rare incidents without providing context. While there have been isolated incidents of electric car fires, data shows that they occur at a much lower rate than gasoline car fires. In fact, studies have demonstrated that the likelihood of an electric vehicle catching fire is significantly lower compared to traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. This is due to the advanced battery management systems and safety protocols in place. Electric car batteries are equipped with multiple layers of protection, including thermal management systems that prevent overheating and automatic shutdown features that activate in the event of a collision. These safety measures are designed to minimize the risk of fire and ensure the safety of passengers. Additionally, electric cars undergo rigorous crash testing to meet stringent safety standards. These tests evaluate the vehicle's structural integrity, battery safety, and overall crashworthiness. The results consistently show that electric cars perform exceptionally well in crash tests, often surpassing their gasoline counterparts. Emergency responders are also trained to handle electric vehicle incidents, ensuring that they can safely manage any situation involving an EV. This training includes understanding the unique aspects of electric car design and knowing how to safely disable the electrical system if necessary. As technology continues to advance, electric cars are becoming even safer. Innovations in battery technology, improved safety features, and ongoing research are all contributing to making electric vehicles one of the safest options on the road today. By separating fact from fiction, we can better understand the true safety benefits of electric cars and dispel the myths that often cloud public perception. Section 6. The numbers speak. Real-world data on electric car shocks. Real-world data paints a reassuring picture of electric car safety. Electric shock incidents involving electric cars are exceedingly rare. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, in the United States has reported very few cases of electric shocks related to electric cars. The robust safety features and rigorous testing that electric cars undergo contribute to their excellent safety record. Section 7. Stay grounded. Practical tips for electric car safety. To further minimize the already low risk of electric shocks, electric car owners can follow these practical tips. Electric cars are designed with numerous safety features, but taking extra precautions can ensure your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. Regularly inspect your car's charging cables for any signs of damage, such as fraying or cuts. Damaged cables can pose a significant risk of electric shock or fire, so it's crucial to check them frequently. If you notice any damage, discontinue use and replace the cable immediately. Using a damaged cable can lead to serious electrical issues and compromise the safety of your vehicle. Avoid driving through deep standing water, as this could potentially damage the car's electrical system. Water and electricity are a dangerous combination, and even a small amount of water can cause significant damage to the car's components. If you're involved in an accident, especially one that involves water damage, it's best to have your car inspected by a qualified technician before resuming driving. A professional inspection can identify any hidden damage and ensure that your car is safe to drive. Additionally, always use a certified charging station for your electric car. Certified stations are designed to meet safety standards and reduce the risk of electrical faults. Regular maintenance checks are also essential. Schedule routine inspections with a qualified technician to ensure that all electrical components are functioning correctly. Familiarize yourself with the owner's manual of your electric car. It contains valuable information on the specific safety features and maintenance requirements of your vehicle. Lastly, keep an emergency kit in your car. This should include items like a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, and a flashlight. Being prepared can make a significant difference in case of an emergency. By following these practical tips, you can enjoy the benefits of your electric car while ensuring your safety and the safety of others on the road. Section 8. Emergency response. What to do in unexpected situations. In the unlikely event of an electric car accident, it's crucial to know how to respond safely. If you're involved in a collision, the first step is to check for injuries and ensure everyone's safety. If the car's high-voltage system is damaged or if you see sparks or smoke, do not touch the car. Instead, maintain a safe distance and call emergency services immediately. Inform the first responders that you were driving an electric car. Section 9. Beyond personal safety, environmental and societal impacts of EVs. While the safety of electric cars is paramount, it's important to acknowledge their broader impact. Electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. The transition to electric mobility is crucial in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change. Moreover, electric cars are significantly quieter than gasoline cars, reducing noise pollution in urban areas. Section 10. The future of mobility, electrification and its implications. The electrification of transportation is rapidly gaining momentum, with electric cars becoming increasingly prevalent. Governments worldwide are implementing policies to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles, such as tax incentives and infrastructure investments. Automakers are investing heavily in research and development, constantly improving the range, affordability, and performance of electric cars. The future of mobility is electric, and with it comes a cleaner, more sustainable transportation system. Section 11. Driving into the future. Embracing electric with confidence. The fear of electric shocks from electric cars is largely unfounded. Electric cars are engineered with multiple layers of safety features to protect occupants and prevent electrical hazards. By understanding the basics of electric car safety, following proper charging procedures, and staying informed about best practices, drivers can embrace the electric revolution with confidence. Electric cars offer a safe, sustainable, and exhilarating driving experience, paving the way for a cleaner and more electrified future.